tends to treat numbness, especially the post-surgical numbness. On treatment time, we can set 30 minutes. So here we are setting 30 minutes. So TENS, after that we can go for TENS option. Here interrupted galvanic Faraday, surge Faraday and TENS will be there. You can enter TENS. After that frequency set చేసుకోవాలి, frequency 100 Hz. After then mode burst to FM mode, continuous mode, frequency modular and PWM. So all modes will be there. We can go for the continuous mode select చేసుకోవాలి. So after then we can increase the intensity every after 10 minutes. We can increase 3 points depend on the patient tolerance బట్టి మనం ఆ ఇంటెన్సిటీ అనేది చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఇక్కడ కనపడుతుంది కదా, అక్కడ కనపడుతుంది, అది చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉండాలన్నమాట.